friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half acre homestead, and today I'm going to make a version, well, let's just call it sausage mushroom gravy. You're going to have to forgive the quality, folks. I am using a very old small digital camera. What you're going to need for this pantry stock meal, and if you don't have it in your pantry, use fresh by all means. I made this a few weeks back, and I took a picture of it and showed it on Facebook and said it doesn't look very good, but it's delicious, and everybody wanted to know how I made it. So this is what you're going to need to make my mushroom sausage gravy over mashed potatoes. You're going to need mashed potatoes. I am using Honest Earth Instant. You're going to need a can of mushroom soup. I'm using Campbell's Organic. You're going to need, a jar of whatever vegetables you want on your side. I love my green beans. You're going to need a can of mushrooms, 2 medium or 1 large onion, and a pound of your favorite sausage. This is my homestead sausage mix. Let's get started. Okay, before we go any further, you're going to want to start your sausage meat cooking. And while that's browning up, I'm going to slice up my onions. You're also going to need a bit of half and half cream and a little bit of flour. All right, I'll be back when I've sliced up my onions. Okay, the sausage is starting to cook, and I'm just rough cutting my onions in here. And when this is all browned up, and the onions, I better get my mushrooms in there too. There it is. Now you don't need to season this, folks. Why? You're seasoning in the soup and in the sausage meat. So I've got my half and half cream and my flour in the jar. Sorry folks, I'm doing this one-handed. Okay, and we're gonna shake it. And now my onions are just a little bit opaque. My sausage is just about cooked all the way through. And now we're gonna add the goop. I'm gonna have to take some water out of my beans here. Took some water out of the beans and put them in because it was way too thick with the cream and the flour. And in that goes. And then in goes our organic mushroom soup. And folks, that is pretty much it. Unless you want this to be a little creamier. Everybody likes theirs differently. But I like a little moisture to mine. You make this as thick or as runny as you like. So now we're just going to bring this up to a simmer and put a lid on it and turn it down on low for about 5 minutes. No, folks, I'm not a professional cook. I do, however, put Daddy's supper and most of his meals in a pie plate. Why? Because he likes his plate full to the overflowing. Here is our lovely mushroom sausage gravy. Oops, sorry about the steam. Look, I just wanted to show you it going on the potatoes because you're not going to see the potatoes much longer. Home canned green beans. That is solid comfort food right there, folks. Let's get Daddy to the table. Remember that mushroom sausage gravy I made over potatoes?
I do.
This is for the video because people saw it on Facebook and really wanted me to do a video. No, she can't have any.
It's potato.
She can have potato, it's just not that. I don't want her eating at the table anymore.
Awesome.
All right, I'll get the camera out of your face.
Let's see what Gracie thinks.
Oh, Howard.
Gracie thinks it's good.
What about Frankie?
What about Frank?
Oh my goodness.
Frankie likes it too.
They're spoiled rotten. This is the MrsVolfie from our half acre homestead saying homestead. Sausage and mushroom gravy over mashed potatoes. It doesn't get any more comfort food than that. Take care. God bless.